Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny location permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on permission manager. Now here scroll down and click on location, and here it will show you the list of apps that can use the location permission. So if you want to deny a app to use the location permission, then go to the allowed section, and in allowed section click on the app and then click on don't allow, and now here click on don't allow anyway to confirm, and now this app is denied to use the location permission and moved to the not allowed section. So now go to the not allowed section, and from here if you want to allow the app to use the location permission, then tap on it and then click on allow all the time to give access or allow to use the location permission. So now this app is moved to the allowed section. So that's how you can allow or deny location permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.